Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel Dress Up Ideas. I am absolutely thrilled to have you are here today as we embark on an exciting journey into the world of wedding dresses. Your wedding day is undeniably one of the most special and memorable days of your life, and finding the perfect wedding dress in a essential part of creating that magical. The first and foremost thing to is your personal style and preference, whether you are looking for a traditional background that or power crown can enhance your style, adding a touch of traditional or bohemian to your pedal work. Remember, the magic in 30 days and the perfect combination of accessories will make you feel truly human and on your. Especially we understand that a wedding dress is a signifies investment, but that not we have create a section of opinion that are just as starring. Remember, the truly beauty of a dress is not immerse your inner bohemian. If you are looking for a touch of vintage charm, exploring the real of retro inspired wedding dresses, drawing inspiration for icon fashion like the dresses future unique details such a for the play a pivotal role in creating these exciting dresses image luxuries materials such a jewelries beginning of your bridal look accessories play and quality import completing your wedding day. It you have the jewelry and hair picks, creating a look that is not only beautiful but also uniquely. You are completing your wedding day attire by adding jewelry, walls, and hair piece. You have the power to create look that unique to you. Wall can your outfit with icon that you will discover the reset of your try. Step into the realm of luxury and your dream count image the soft and sample the right accessories have the power to elevate your look to new hair of elegance and personalization. Jewelry captivating rail or a flower crown stacking into the special classic style future of bodies and that assist and the bank offered able opinion bound allowing every pride to inhere these ideas that I believe will not only inspire you but also assist you in discovering the to the perfectly your unique style and personality. First up, let's delve into the timeless elegance of the bar down. This style is absolutely perfect for the bride wishes to feel like a true princess with your unique. It can also helpful to bearing along friend or family me who can offer their honest opinion and provide wedding support throughout your decision making process to help you get started on your wedding dress journey. I have array of wedding dress ideas that formatting believe well inspiration with you and help guide you towards finding the perfect for Italy. Dresses future flowing horse fabric such a less details like, and these dresses are to create a sense of and natural beauty, making them perfect for outdoor decision wedding. If you are looking for a touch of vintage charm, consider exploring the realm of retro inspired classic mate. Understand that a wedding dress is investment but flats not. We have a section of opinion that are just a trying. Remember the true beauty of a dress, not your inner bohemian. If you are looking for a touch of vintage charm, exploring the real of retro inspired wedding dresses, drawing inspiration from icon fashion for the play a pivotal role in creating the dresses image luxuries material such a less and on your however your wedding dresses is beginning of your bridal look accessorize play and quality import complement your wedding day. You have the embellish your with jewelry wools and hair pieces creating a look that is not only beauty also uniquely you are complementing your wedding day attire by adding jewelry wools and hair pieces. You have the power to create look that unique to you. Wall can your outfit with topic that you will discover the reset of your step into the realm of luxury and fabric that your dream count image the soft and symbol that right accessories have the power to elevate your look to new layers of elegance and personalization. Jewelry captivating crown fans stalking into the wild opinion, allowing every bride to inherit dresses future flowing horse delicate jewelry captivating ground can enhance your style adding a touch of traditional bohemian your bridal. Remember the magic lies in the details and the perfect combination of accessories will make you feel truly unique and your special day are drawn to the level of mood with especially dresses into the vintage dresses. One of the most member of your life. It is day where is and find the perfect go for you are the first step in finding your dream. Dream grand or in beach we you that there is a dress out there will compliment your make feel like the most beautiful bride and the world and shows that you refine the dresses that perfectly and setting of your special can be adding traditional touch to your outfit while a delicate flower crown. I understand that wedding dresses can be quite. However, don't worry, I have some affordable opinion in my selection that are still absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. Remember that the price doesn't the beauty of the dress, it's all about how it makes you feel. Don't by adding careful. Wow, and here these and dresses. Read, these are the dresses that I am showing of you have, but full fair and reference, so you not on and you will look absolutely amazing in these voting classic